Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce a website or online tool. The O Labs is based on the idea that lab experiments can be taught using the internet more efficiently and less expensively. And this virtual class and all, what we missing mostly is the lab works and all. So the lab can also be made available to students with no access to physical labs or where equipment is not available owing to being scarce of costly and all. Even if it is a normal class other than a virtual class also, this helps them compete with students in better equipped schools and bridges the digital divide and geographical distance. One of the wonderful factors that the experiment can be accessed at any time and anywhere, overcoming the constraints on time felt when having access to the physical lab for only a short period of time. Okay, let's get into the website. Search OLabs on your browser. You will get olabeducation.in. Click on it. This is the interface. Here you can see the different subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, maths and English. For the time being we can click physics. There you can see class 12 different experiments and workbooks. Class 11 all the experiments. Class 10 and 9 also there. Physics, chemistry, biology labs from class 9 to class 12. English and maths lesson for class 10 is available in this interface. You can check out biology experiments by clicking the tab biology. There you can see different experiments like cheek cell experiments, onion cell experiments, everything is there. The content is purely related to your NCERT or state board syllabus experiments, lab experiments. So you can go to that. The development of OLabs includes study and use of mathematical techniques to demonstrate the various complex functions in diverse areas of science. The labs make use of cutting-edge simulation technology to create real-world lab environments. You can see it here. Thorough study and research is done by research persons for better understanding of this experimental procedures. You can see it all the contents. Learning outcomes are there. Our objectives are there. The theory is there. On procedures you can see the step-by-step process. What all are the materials required. Beautifully captured pictures also there. Procedures, real lab procedures is also given there. And it is animated process also available, so you can click on animation to see that. Visualization and development of the graphical symbols are done based on realistic situation and compared with the respective real equipments. I have selected one experiment from chemistry, determination of pH. The objective is to determine the pH of given samples by using pH paper and universal indicator. It is demonstrated in this video how it is done and how will be the output we are getting. You can see the color change on the paper. Then compare this color obtained on pH paper with the different color shades of the standard color pH chart. It is already given, and note down the pH value from it. You will find what is the pH value of the obtained color like this. Similarly, you can find different solution also, and by using universal solution also you have to do the same experiment by taking a drop of solution. The experiment is shown on the screen. Actually they are explaining the experiment in the background, but due to some noise I have excluded it. You can check it out on the website. Here you can see the solution changes color. To find the pH of the solution, select the color strip from the standard color pH chart. Drag to near to the solution in the beaker to compare it. The color that matches the color of the solution in the beaker indicates the pH value of the solution. That is the procedure. If you want to try it out, you can click on the simulation. There I will show that how it is working. You can select any of the aqueous solution from the select aqueous solution drop down list. Now choose any one of the sample solution in the beaker by clicking on it. You can find out the pH of the solution using any one of the method mentioned above. First one using pH paper, second one is a universal indicator method. pH method I have done here, and see the color. You can match it by seeing the strip. The second one is universal indicator method. Add some drops to the lemon juice, the color of the solution, change it now. Drag the color strip to the sample, then match it. The pH of the solution is 2. And the same way in the pH paper also. So you can conclude that pH of the solution lemon juice is 2. The same way you can reset the solution and find out, continue the same procedure to find out the pH of all the solutions. For my second experiment, I have selected mango juice. I have added universal indicator to it. The color has been changed. Then match from the given strips. It is the number of the strip is 6. So the pH of the solution is 6. Same way you can see the video for better understanding of the experimental procedure. Real lab scenarios are captured through live demonstration of the experiment so as to assimilate information on the procedure and lab equipments. You can see it on the screen. Some resource books also there on the tab, and Viva questions also there. You can try out. Many schools are already using this. They have registered with OLabs. Even though not registered, students can use OLabs by their own. They have to get into the website by typing olabs.in. Then try for the experiments by their own. It will be very helpful for you students and teachers also. And different Viva questions also there. I hope you will try it, and thank you for watching.